Hey. Hey, tough guy. Hey, you. What you doing? Sitting in your bouncy? Making monitors go off? Oh, I'm sorry. Trying to poop? Pretty much. Kai. You are a pie wagon. A little pie wagon. What's up there? What's up there? Oh, your monitor's going off. Kai. Hey. You just like to look up, don't you? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Okay, I love you, Bear. Bye, Bear. Bye, baby. Say hi, Dad. Hi, Grandma. Hey, Grandpa. Hey, Uncle Bill. Hey, Aunt Sam. Okay, bye-bye, Kai.